is impulse. Impulse, it is a impulse received during an impact. Impact means any reaction, like for how much time force is applied to any body and what is its effect or what is its result, that is impact, is defined as product of force, average force and time, and we can denote it as I. So already we know that F is equal to dp by dt. We will take this dt toward this side. F dt is equal to dp. And if let us consider that if our impact is last for time t, means t time ਲਈ impact ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, and momentum change from p1 to p2. So we can say that we can integrate this equation within the limits. Limits is means time limit is from 0 to t and momentum limit is from p1 to p2. Clear? So we will integrate. This is the sign of integration, 0 to t and p1 to p2 dt and dp. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਜੇ t ਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਧਰ t ਦੀ ਲਿਮਟ, p ਤੇ p ਦੀ ਲਿਮਟ. Now this is the rule of integration, that x raised to power n dx. Integration rule is that after integration it will become x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. For example, x square integration dx. Dx should be there. If we are integrating x, so dx should be there. If we are integrating t, dt should be there. If we are integrating p, dp should be there. So it will be x cube by 3. Now here we can say that here power of t is 0, so that only dt is there. Here similarly power of p is 0. So after the integration it will become t and p. So after integration, and we can say that from 0 to t in a time ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ force, that is average force, and f average after integration it will become t 0 to t and it will become p from p1 to p2. And we will put the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Here we will put limit because t, similarly here we will put the limit f average as it is t minus 0 and here p2 minus p1, upper limit minus lower limit. This is also rule of integration. So f average into t is equal to p2 minus p. We already know that f average into t is impulse, so we can say that it is also p2 minus p1, means impulse is also change in momentum. Clear? We can say that impulse is change in momentum. Similarly, now we will discuss the applications of second law of motion, or we can say that application of impulse. Impulse. First application is while catching the ball, a cricket player lowers his hand. ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਪਲੇਅਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਬॉल ਨੂੰ ਕੈਚ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਥੋੜੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ. ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ? he will increase the time interval to catch the ball so that total change in momentum will takes place in large time. If large time, so force will be decreased. Time is increased, force will be decreased, means he will not get hurt. Clear? ਉਹਦੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਸੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੇਗੀ. Similarly, second, if a person is falling on a pakka floor, he will get more injury than in kacha floor, because when he will fall on kacha floor, the time interval will be increased and force will be decreased. Similarly, the china wares and the ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੀਨੀ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, they are wrapped in the paper before packing, because during the transportation they will feel jerks, ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਭਿੜ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਟੁੱਟਣ ਦਾ ਖਤਰਾ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਂਦਾ. So while wrapping in the paper, the time interval will be changed and force will be decreased, and the damage ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ problem ਹੈ that will be decreased. Clear? Similarly, Newton's third law of motion. Now to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ equal ਤੇ opposite reaction ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. We already studied it in the 9th class. And its application very first. In order to walk, we press the ground in backward direction with our feet. To walk, Newton's third law is applicable. To walk, we will press the ground in backwards. So giving the direction, the ground will push us in forward direction. Second, while swimming, swimmer pushes the water backward with his hands. Swimming, while pushing, swimmer will push the water backward with the force, and water will push the swimmer in the forward direction with the same force but in opposite direction. And here we can say that in Newton's third law, these actions and reactions, these are two forces acting on different bodies. Third is flying of a bird. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ bird fly ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, he will push the air with his feathers so that air will push him in forward direction. Clear? These are some applications of Newton's third law. And next we will do very important topic in our next topic, that is second law is the real law of motion. That is very, very important. Up to this, if you will have any problem, you can ask.